one.
Hello. Now let me introduce this special design and popular design here for you. It's button control. It's button control like it's like piano. You see? It's that beauty. So we can see there's 4 functions. One function is for the spout. It's for the spout here. The one function is for the head shower, and this one function is for the head shower, and this one function is for the spout. But you can do cleaning very easily here. You can do cleaning the floor and shower. It's very popular. So here you can control the temperature and the water flow. It's about the popular design this year. It's a bottom control. Bottom control. So you can see this is the water tap function. This is the hand shower function, and this is the head shower function. This is hand shower function. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4 functions. So we can control the off and on here. This one you can cleaning the if there's water you can cleaning easily. It's very easy to do cleaning. So we can see that this design we have the chrome color, the black color, and the gray color. Accordingly, we have vapor mixer and the sink mixer. They are using this here size. You see the factory price is very good. It's very nice. And for the hand shower, actually hand shower actually they can change. You can choose any design you want to match the whole design. You can choose the size. We have a lot of hand shower and hand shower designs. It's mainly designed the colors, chrome, black, and silver color is the special design is about camera, because you can see that it's like a camera, right?
Okay. So here you can adjust it. You can adjust it the temperature. Here you can change the function. This is the water tap. Water tap function. This is the shower head, and this is the head shower. You can change the function here. It's very adjustable.
So we have golden color, black color, and this is the chrome color and red color. So you can see the function is very special. We can change the function here. From spout, this is the spout, and this is head shower, the head shower. So, and this is temperature adjustable. We can adjust the temperature here from hot water to cold water. So you can see the design is very, very nice. It's very nice design. So this design, actually we have basin mixer and sink mixer to match together.